Welcome back to Channel V8X, the home of power, performance, and pure automotive passion. If you love bold SUVs, aggressive design, and road-dominating presence, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. This is something special. Meet the 2026 Toyota Fortuner, finished in a stunning deep metallic blue, an SUV that doesn't just arrive, it makes an entrance. From the very first glance, the Fortuner commands attention. This isn't just another family SUV. This is a machine built to dominate highways, city streets, and everything in between. The muscular stance, sharp body lines, and confident proportions give it a powerful American-style road presence that feels bold, modern, and unapologetic. Now let's start with the front view, because this is where the attitude begins. That aggressive grille, the razor-sharp LED headlights, and the sculpted hood create a face that looks ready to challenge anything ahead. This front angle screams confidence, power, and authority. Move to the side view, and the Fortuner truly shows its strength. The long wheelbase, wide stance, and strong shoulder lines give it a planted, unstoppable look. The black alloy wheels and clean profile make it feel premium yet aggressive. The kind of SUV that turns heads at traffic lights and dominates highway lanes. At the back view, the design stays bold. The LED tail lamps glow with purpose, the rear profile looks solid and muscular, and the overall stance feels strong and secure. It's the kind of rear angle that looks just as good leaving as it does arriving. Step inside, and the dashboard view completely changes the mood. This cabin is all about comfort meeting technology. Digital displays, a modern infotainment system, premium materials, and refined detailing make the Fortuner feel upscale and futuristic. Everything is placed right where you need it, built for long drives and daily comfort. Now let's talk power, the engine view. Under the hood, the 2026 Fortuner delivers reliability and performance Toyota is known for. Clean engineering, solid build quality, and confidence-inspiring mechanics give this SUV the heart of a true performer. From above, the drone view shows why this SUV feels so dominant. The proportions are perfect, the road presence is undeniable, and the deep metallic blue paint pops beautifully against any background. On the open road, the highway shot is where the Fortuner feels at home. Smooth cruising, stable handling, and a confident ride make it perfect for long American-style road trips. And when the sun goes down, the night shot turns this SUV into a monster. Glowing headlights, reflections on the paint, and that bold silhouette make it look powerful, mysterious, and premium. Now let's talk numbers. The 2026 Toyota Fortuner is expected to come in at around $45,000 to $50,000, depending on the variant and features. A strong value for an SUV that offers size, power, comfort, and presence in one complete package. This isn't just transportation. This is style. This is confidence. This is the Fortuner. Closing, channel call. You've been watching Channel V8X, where bold machines get the spotlight they deserve. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the 2026 Toyota Fortuner, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. More power, more style, more action. Only on Channel V8X. We'll see you in the next one. Oncoming automobile fire.